Struggling with the error creating game session in EA Sports FC 26? You are not alone, and you are definitely in the right place. Let's walk through some quick fixes to get you back on the pitch. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are tackling a frustrating FC 26 error that's keep players from jumping into matches. Let's fix it step by step. Method 1. Rename your squad. Many users have reported in the EA community that renaming the squad has fixed the issue for them. So you can try renaming the squad and see if this could fix the issue. If the issue persists after renaming the squad, check out the next solutions. Method 2. Add players to every game slot. Adding players to every slot is another tested method by the users who face the game session error on FC 26. So add the players to every slot and see if this helps fixing the issue. Method 3. Log out of the EA account and log in again. The next thing you can try is log out of your EA account and then log in again. To do that, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the EA app homepage. Select Logout option. Then wait for some time and then log in with your account credentials. Launch the game and check now. Method 4. Delete program data. Next, you can delete all game saves and start afresh. To do that, press Windows plus R to launch the Run utility, type %program data % and hit enter or click OK. Open the EA desktop folder, then delete all the folders inside it. To do that, right-click on each folder, select Show More Options, then select Delete. This should delete all the game saves but can fix the issue. Now relaunch the game and check. Method 5. Restart the EA app. When you are getting FC 26 starting error, first of all, restart the EA app. From the EA app, click on the 3 horizontal line menu and select Exit. You can completely close the app from Task Manager and relaunch. To do that, right-click on the Windows search menu and select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab, right-click on all the processes related to the EA app and select the End Task option for each process. Then relaunch the app and check. You can also restart the PC to clear temporary glitches and bugs and then relaunch the app and see if this could help fix the issue. Method 6. Check the internet connection. The next thing you should check is if you have a stable internet connection. Having a stable internet connection is important as you cannot play the game properly without a stable internet connection. You can check the internet speed from speedtest.net. If the internet connection is slow, then contact your service provider for help. You can also restart your router or modem. Method 7. Check the EA game server status. The error can also occur if the EA account is not read from the server. This can happen if the server is under maintenance or if there is any server outage. So you can check the EA server status from this link. If there is any outage, report it, wait for some time and then check again. Method 8. Contact the EA support team. If the methods shown could not fix the problem, you should contact the EA support team and follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix the EA Sports FC 26 error while creating game session in FC 26. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.